Every morning, you take to the road. You drive to provide for your family. You drive to have a successful business. You drive for your team. Vision by Fleet Complete connects you to the road more than ever before.
Trip started.
You get the video technology you need to make sure you handle the road with the precision and care that it deserves. Because one incident can change everything.
Harsh braking detected.
With automatic event recording and in-cab feedback, you'll know what happened and why.
Cornering detected.
You'll have that extra pair of eyes on the road to make sure that your drivers are safe. Every day, you need to make sure you treat the road the right way. Your livelihood depends on it. Your reputation depends on it. Others depend on it. You will be able to see what your drivers see. You'll know that they have the best tools to improve, that your customers are in good hands, that you'll be there when they need you most. Vision helps you do the things that matter, like arriving home safely every day to spend time with your family, and with confidence that you'll be back on the road tomorrow, doing what you love, doing what you care about, always arriving safe. Fleet Complete, helping fleets thrive.